Namaskar. Welcome to Talent Sigma. I am Meena. Today I am in conversation with Shri Paresh Chandra Mohanty, the Director of Talent Sigma, a leading institute in coaching and training based in Bhubaneswar. Without any further narration, let us hear from the man behind this flourishing organization himself. Sir, Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Tell our viewers something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am, as I said, my name is Paresh Chandra Mohanty. I was born in a village called Arunahat in Jagatsinghpur district of Odisha. I completed my matriculation in the year 1974 from the famous Arunahat High School. Then I did my graduation from Government College Bhawanipatna in Kalahandi district, and I completed my post-graduation from Utkal University Banibihar in the subject political science. After completion of my formal education, I entered to the professional career by joining World Food Program. There I worked for some years and shifted to banking. As a probationary officer in Bank of Baroda, I joined in the year 1984 and started working with the banking system for around 25 years. I have worked in 4 states in India, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, and I had my overseas posting in Uganda, East Africa. And after working in Bank of Baroda foreign posting, I shifted to an international bank, that is Diamond Trust Bank, and worked there as the general manager or head of operation for 2 years. Then I left my job and established this organization, Talent Sigma. Within that period, I have also learned and did some educational enhancement. That is, in the banking, I have done the course Certified Associate of Indian Institute of Bankers, or CAIIB. I have also completed the diploma course on training from ISTD, Indian Society for Training and Development. And today, I have presented my thesis on training and development in the SOA University and waiting for the result.
Sir, you left the job at the peak of your career. What made you take such a decision? And what prompted you to start your own organization, Talent Sigma?
Yes, ma'am. While working in Bank of Baroda, I had the opportunity of working with their training system for 5 years. After joining the training system, I discovered myself that I am created for the purpose of this training. Gradually, with my hard work, I got a recognition in the training system. People accepted me, and I thought if I am working in this area, then I can reach my self-actualization. But while I was deciding to leave banking and coming to establish my own training unit, I got the overseas posting to Uganda. And after that, I shifted to an international bank, that is Diamond Trust Bank. So even if in the year 2003, I decided to leave the job and have the training, but it took some years for the preparation. And my motto was that whatever I have learned in my life, I am going to share with the next generation so that their life will be comfortable. So this training became my hobby, it became my passion, and that is why I decided to leave the job and have my own training unit and share the experience.
Talent Sigma, the name sounds rather unique. What's the thought behind this name? Can you also shed some light on what your organization is really doing?
Yes, ma'am. Talent Sigma is a unique name. Talent means the inherent strength of a person. And Sigma, you know that it is the 18th alphabet in Greek. So Sigma means here the perfection level. So Talent Sigma, because we take people, recognize their talent, and through our training, coaching and guidance, take them to the level of perfection. Then the second part is what we are doing. Actually, in the 2009 when I started this organization, we were doing only corporate training. Corporate training means in the organization, we are training the employees so that their knowledge, skill and attitude is improved and they become able and willing. So there up to 2013, we were conducting corporate training programs where we are giving induction training,
leadership training, training on motivation, training on various skill developments. Even we are conducting training for planning for retirement, and we have trained many young trainers, that is train the trainer programs. Today, if you take the statistics, we are conducting around training for 25 corporates in India. And if our organization statistic I am taking, more than 900 training programs we have conducted, and we have trained more than 25,000 employees in various organizations in India. Then, while we are doing this, I was called at times to various institutes nearby, that is colleges and universities, to give a talk for the improvement in the skill of the students to get a job. So there I found that even if most of the students, they are qualified, they are educated, but they are not employable. So that inspired me to have another branch in Talent Sigma that we call coaching. So in the coaching segment, now we are providing that coaching in various competitive exams like banking, railway, SSC, state government, central government jobs. We are also conducting communicative skill sessions where people are coming, or students are coming, and they are learning how to communicate in English and participate in group discussion and facing the interview. The third part is a blend, that is combination of the competitive exam and the communicative English. In the placement training, we are taking one part, that is the entrance exam clearance through the quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English training. Then we are coaching the people in GD and PI. In this section also we are very happy that many students, they have got their job. More than 210 students, they have got placement from various colleges through our training. Hundreds of students have mastered their communication skill, and above all, we have got 22 candidates who have got bank provisional officer. With that also, I have forgotten one thing, that many students who are coming for B.Ed exams, in education they are trying to enter, and their number is also very high, and these are the things we are doing in our institute.
Sir, there are many coaching and training institutions in India, even in and around Bhubaneswar. How are you different from others?
Yes, ma'am, this is a good question. There are many institutes, but institutes are created mostly for earning money. Here, Talent Sigma has one speciality, that we take care of the students not only to get a job, but also we take care of their all-round personality development. In our institute, we have a personal touch with students. We guide them to improve physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and also psychologically. That is why there is a deep bond between the students and our institute. People who have passed from our organization got a job 6 years before also, they are in personal touch with them. And the result of this personal touch, I will give you just two immediate examples. That there was a boy from Tamil Nadu, and he was studying in CTTC. He came to our organization. He had a problem of speech, and he required speech therapy. Even if we are not specialists in speech therapy, there I identified one problem with him, that whenever he is in tension or trying to complete the speech quickly, he is facing this problem mostly. Then I guided him that you have the pitch in your speech, speak slowly, giving stress on each word, then your communication will be better. And that boy, fortunately, he improved, and now he is in Singapore as an engineer. He is working there. This gives a lot of satisfaction. Another boy, I remember that he was an engineer, but he could not get a good job, so he shifted to banking. So every year he was passing the written exam, but was not able to get an interview. So in the 5th year, he got my address, contacted me. He came to me. I found that he needs a lot of boosting and motivation, because he was shattered totally. He was telling, what else I can do in my life when 4 times I have cleared all the banking written exams. So I guided him, boosted his confidence, and he got 3 jobs in the same year. He got State Bank of India, he got Dena Bank probationary officer, and he also got Odisha Gramya Bank. So the speciality, madam, as you ask, is it is the personal touch, identifying the people's weakness and strength, then guiding them to reach the destination.
That is wonderful. Sir, you are a popular motivational speaker. Your words have inspired many young spirits. The current job crisis has affected the morale of the young job aspirants. Do you have any special message for them?
Yes, ma'am. Job creation has been a problem in India. And today, after this COVID-19, when the entire economy is shattered, students will face more problem in this area. But still, my guidance is that if you prepare yourself properly, then jobs will be available to you. Every human being has the inherent potency. It is like every person is an iron rod having the molecules of magnet in a disorganized order in him or her. And in our organization, when we are guiding the people properly, those molecules are arranged and magnetism is developing in that student. So the final thing what I want to say is, you all have the potency, but if you are following some steps, you will definitely get a job. The first thing is, decide what exactly you want. You want to be an entrepreneur, so go in that direction. You want a job, concentrate in that area. And within the job, if you are going for a job, then in the job, what job you want? You want a state government job, central government job, banking, railway, SSC, or teachership. So first you decide what exactly you want. Then you fix a goal. I want to get it in 1 year, in 6 months, in 2 years. Then only you will find that your preparation will be in right direction. The third thing is managing time. Here most of the students they flop. Because when they find immediately there is no work, they spoil their time thinking, okay, today let it go, tomorrow I will start the studies. No, you have to do a sketch, and every day at least you have to read for 8 hours. Then the fourth thing is, you have to manage your thought. Thought management is that concentrate on what you want to achieve. There will be many thoughts it will taking here and there, but you concentrate on that. I will give a lot of stress that in the time management, that every minute should be utilized, and I have guided students to follow the formula of 8, 8 and 8. That is 8 hours sleep and rest, 8 hours other work, and 8 hours is your study. Study means that 8 hours net you should be studying every day. And the last thing is that believe in self. If you cannot believe that I will achieve it, you can never achieve it. I have seen very average students who are coming to the institute with our guidance. They are fixing their goal very high, and once they were thinking I will just get a clerical job, but they are going from here being bank probationary officer or officers in state government and central government.
Well, viewers, that was the flamboyant and charismatic Paresh Mohanty, the director of Talent Sigma, who has started this organization in Bhubaneswar with a noble thought and an indomitable spirit. I must say, the youth has found a friend, philosopher and guide in him. We'll hear more from him in the upcoming videos. Keep watching, liking and subscribing Talent Sigma. You'll find the contact address below. For now, I'll say goodbye. Stay safe, stay positive. Namaskar.